here I am at Dean's restaurant. I am so excited because I heard that the food is so good. So I'm just waiting for the waiter. Hello, how may I help you today? Oh, well, I'm just so excited because I heard this food is so super good. Do you have pizza? Yes. Okay, can I have a pizza with everything on it? Oh, of course. Can I also have some extra sushi? Of course. Anything else? I think that would be good. Thank you. Alright guys, we have to do this because if we don't do it, he'll be really mad. Look at them over there waiting. Okay, so I'm gonna get the pizza stuff right here. Alright, let's see what he's doing. Okay, so now we have the pizza right here. We already have it all set. All set with everything. So see, delicious pizza. I'm gonna take it out. Wow, this pizza is really big. I mean, guys, look at this. And now we're gonna go right here and we're gonna put the pizza down there. Open it up. Oh, now let's put the pizza in here. Alright, let's just wait. So here, just waiting for the pizza to finish. We're gonna start on the sushi. So we're just gonna go there. So we're just gonna get the pizza and just wait for the sushi. So we have the sushi that's right here. Have more sushi. And we have more sushi. So we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 sushis. Oh, that smells so good. Alright, let's start cooking. Let's get some plates. Wow. Oh. Look at this sushis. Or just put some salt. And now there's a bunch of sushi. Now we just need more sushi. Some more of this. And this. So now we can cook it up. Oh my goodness, that fell. Oh my goodness, so embarrassing. Now that's probably ready. Well, look at this. Ding! Oh, the pizza's ready. So now we just gotta put my mitten glove because it's really hot. Remember that, kids? So now, let's get the pizza. Can you smell that? It smells just so delicious. I'm just gonna slide it over there so I can grab it. Oh my goodness, look at that beautiful pizza. This is my bestest yet. Guys, look at this masterpiece. Alright. just cool it down, and we'll see you up there. Okay guys, we made it up here. Now we just gotta get the box. Box right here. Okay, first I'm just gonna move this. So like this, put the pizza box here, put this beautiful lovely pizza. Alright, the pizza is ready. Now let's just put some of this, and I bet you like some sauce. What sauce should we get? Some hot sauce, Frigo sauce, Verb, soy sauce, or milk. I think you like soy sauce for the sushi. And maybe hot. Okay, those are 2 options. So now, let's go take it to him. Okay guys, we're gonna take it to him. Here we go. Oh my gosh, thank you. I am just so happy you did this for me. Thank you very much. And please subscribe.